Hi guys, today we are introducing you NZXT in Sri Lanka, and we have got two new cases which were just released by them, the H500 and the H500i. The difference between the two models are the H model is the basic model and the 500i comes with additional features. Now additional features means it has the Hue Plus, the grid, and it also has the ability to use the CAM software. The CAM software is used for Aura-based motherboards where it can be sunk and you could play games, and based on the sounds and audio, the colors of the lights would change because it comes with LED lighting and RGB strips. All that is found in the H500i based chassis. So these are the features, and as you could see, it also has a hub like thing where all these are connected to it, and this is not found in the basic model. The basic model is an optional model where you can buy the grid separately and fix it, and that's the only difference. Both come with tempered glass, and it has the facility of having a water cooler, and also it comes with two standard fans of 12 centimeter, and in front you could have either 280mm fans or lower than that, or the water cooler radiators. So these are the features between these two models, and now you could see how we are assembling a system with H500i having i5 processor of 8400, ROG motherboard of ASUS, 2 sticks of 8GB memory, 256 SSD, that is M.2, and 2 TB of hard drive with Seasonic power supply, and it has a GPU of 1066 GB. All this comes to around 200K. So for a 200K system, this is what you get.